Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Knowledge Session. Today I am showing you how to do LSMW with FK01. And what is LSMW? LSMW, we import data from the legacy system to the SAP system. With the help of these features, we can do it for the master data and transaction data as per our requirement. We transfer the data through somewhere. For what we are creating a master data, we transfer here in a bulk. Okay, so let's start with our SAP screen, and I am showing you today how to create notepad in LSMW to transfer the data. So this is our SAP screen, and I am showing you LSMW, how we are doing. LSMW T code is LSMW. We have a screen LSMW. So first we have to create a project. So click on create, give your project details here. So I am giving here my project detail ZFK01. so I am giving here not date, five 2020. Import from vendor creation FK01. So today I am showing you how to create vendor master data. Enter ZFK01. We are using Y and Z for creating a new T code here, 052020. Same and with this. Enter. Enter. So we can see I created my project, sub-project and object name, and then execute it. Okay, after execute we can see this screen. So we can see lots of things we have to do here, but after doing we can see some of them is left. Double click on it or execute it. We can see this screen, display and change, Control plus F1. You can click here, then click on batch input recording, then click on recording, and then F4. Before this we have to go to recording, click on create recording, and for recording I need to give a recording name. So I am giving here FK01 underscore 002020. Sorry, FK01 ZK01 underscore 2020. Okay. For description I am giving here description import from vendor creation underscore FK01, and then continue. Give your transaction code where you are doing a recording. So I am doing recording in FK01. Enter. Give your company code, account, group, whatever you are giving here. please whatever you are giving here, remind it, and it will show on our recording. Okay, so I am giving here my company code XYZ1, and my account group is same XYZ1. Then enter, giving title company name. I am giving here name AAA Private Limited, and giving a country IN. Enter, giving a reconciliation account which I created for vendor account. This is 101. Click on it and give your cash management group. Cash management group I am giving here A1 for domestic. Double click on it and then save it. So after save, we can see our recording. Okay, so click on default all. After clicking on default all, we can see here our transactions what I had done. Then save. Go back and giving your batch input recording. So what I recorded here, click on F4, so it automatically show what I am doing. Then after that, save it. Go back. So here I can see some of them are left. Okay, so double click on or execute on second. Click on execute, click on display change and save it. Then go back. Click on third option. Click on third option, execute it, display, create source structure. Wait for that. Sorry, I did not create a source structure. I need to create that. Execute it. Click on display change. Click on create a structure. Then create your source structure. So my structure is structure for FK01. Okay, for description I am giving here same description, structure for FK01. Copy from here and paste it. Same structure for FK01. Then enter, then save it. So go back, and now we can see our source structure created. After that, maintain source field, execute it. Automatically our check button goes down. Execute it, click on it, then click on display change, then click on table. When we click a table, we need to put all the details here. So what kind of details we need? Go on again on LSMW screen. So I am going by /O for new page LSMW. Enter, then enter, then back. Sorry, LSMW. Enter my objects. No. Sorry. Sorry, I need to execute it first. Okay, execute it. After that, we can see object overview. We can go by Shift F4, click on it, then click on table. So we can see the screen which I need to put. Okay, so for the details, I need to copy from here. So I am showing you first in Excel, then copy from Excel and then put on Notepad. Okay, so here I have an Excel screen and I will copy from copy details from here. Control Y for copy this, copy, then paste it. Sorry. Copy this and then paste it. Okay, for understanding purpose. Okay, again Control Y, copy all the details, then paste it. Again go back, I am copying here, copy this, I am trying to make all these things easy, so that's why I am showing you all the details like this. So what we can see, what our recording had done in FK01, company code, vendor, account group, title, name, country key, reconciliation account in general ledger, and planning group. Okay, so we need to do like this in a row way. Okay, so first I need to put all the details in an SAP previous screen, where I need to fill source field for source structure. Okay, same copy, paste for type. So I need to copy C only. Why C? Okay, I can show you what I have a type. C for filled with alphanumeric content. So I have a alphanumeric content, so I take C. If I have any numerical contents, so I need to take N. Okay, for date, month, year, format like this, so I will take like this. So I have a contents in alphanumerical form, so I will take C for all. Click C, 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 C. Okay, so our length is, you can see our length, copy here and paste it. So after that we click on enter and we can see our details will come on field description, and then save it. Go back, click on save. Okay, so we can see our data is saved. Go back. Now we have to create a notepad. So we have a notepad, and how to create a notepad. Okay, according to our Excel sheet, I will create a notepad. So first is company code. Okay, so my company code is XYZ1. My vendor account group is XYZ1, same, and my title is company, and name is, I'm giving here different names: BBB Private Limited, and my country is IN, and giving reconciliation account in general ledger. What I have a reconciliation is 101 for vendor account, and planning group, for planning group I will take A1 for domestic. So I can create lots of companies, lots of vendors. So these three details are common in everything. So copy it, drag it, and copy this, paste it, and then copy, paste, and drag it. For company, I have a different company. I have a different types of company vendor. So CCC Private Limited, example DDD Private Limited, EEE Private Limited, okay. So copy these details, then put it on your notepad, because LSMW take detail from notepad only. Okay, then file save. I'm saving FK01 for XYZ1. Okay, save it. Go back on your SAP screen. Execute your fourth option, maintain structure relations. First option we had done, maintain object attributes. Then second option, maintain source structure. Then third option is maintain source fields, what we had done. Now go to maintain structure relation, then execute it, click on it, display, change, and then save it. Go back, and we have to go maintain field mapping and conversion rules. Execute it, click on display change, click on extras, go to auto mapping, click on enter, enter till details we can see here, then save it. Okay, then go back. Sixth option is maintain fixed values, transactions, user defined routines for doing one kind of things, so it is not necessary to do. And go to seventh option, specify files, execute it, click on it, then Sorry, I need to go specify files, execute it, click on legacy data, then click on display change. So after that we need to go create add entry, take file, desktop, computer, sharing folder, fk01 xyz1 what I had created, open it, zfk01, sorry, vendor creation file. Okay, click on tabular, then continue, then save it. Save it. File converted, data 45 characters, data saved. So after save, we can see our data was saved. So what we can see here, our data is saved, and then go back, click on assign files, execute it, then click on display change, then save it, go back, click on read data and execute it, then again execute it, then we can see our data is 5. So means 5 master data we are uploading here. Display read data, execute it, enter it, we can see our data here. So we can see our company code, account group, title, name, country key, reconciliation account and planning group. Okay, all are green. Then go back, click on convert data and execute it, then go back, display converted data, execute it, enter it, then we can see our data is in green, means our all data is okay. So we can see our table name here, transaction code is this, company code, vendor account group, company BBB, we can see here all the details, all the details is in green. So go back, click on create batch input session, execute it, then again before execute it, keep batch input folder, check it, then execute it. So we can see one batch input folder with 5 transactions created. Execute it, then again click on run batch input session. Okay, execute it, we can see our data here. Click on the row, then click on process, then click on display errors only, then click on process. So if our process is all okay, then we can see processing of batch input session completed, then click on session overview, we can see all things are processed, and now we can see all the master data on /n fk03 for display our vendors. So what we had created, AA private limited, BBB private limited, CCC private limited, DEF. So what we had mentioned in our notepad, we can see here all vendors are created. Then go back. So our LSMW had done here. So for more details, please subscribe my channel if you like my video. So I'm trying to do my best for making a video in a short. Thanks for watching my video.